Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 2 bit 1 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 2 bit 1. Moving on to question number 2 bit 1, it is given that find the sums given below, and the given number sequence is like 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus plus 84. That means we need to find out the sum of the given arithmetic progression. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, we are going to find the sum of the given arithmetic progression or the given AP sequence. So the given numbers are like 7, 10, 1 by 2, 14, and the last term is 84. So let us see how we are moving ahead and solving this equation. As usual guys, I will put this data in a tabular form, like I will write first, second, third and nth term, and our first value is 7 and second value they have given is 10 1 by 2. So 10 1 by 2 I can write as 10 into 20 1 by 2. So guys, don't get confused. I'm writing 10 1 by 2 as 21 by 2, and then I'm writing 14 and the last term is 84, and naming this one as A1, A2, A3 and AN. So guys, that's all. Just we are going to find out the sum of these given terms, and for finding out the sum of the given terms we are going to adopt our old process. That means first of all we are going to find out AN, then once we get AN, then we are going to find out SN or the sum. So here first of all, let's see here the common difference D is equal to 21 by 2 minus 7, or that I can write as 21 by 2 minus, multiplying 2 in the denominator and numerator, I am getting 14 by 2. I am getting minus 14 by 2, or that is equal to 21 minus 14 by 2, or that is equal to 7 by 2. So guys, we got the value of D as 7 by 2, and we have the rest of the data with us. So let's work out this equation, like AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. So here replacing the values, like AN we have 84 is equal to A1 is 7 plus N minus 1 into D here is 7 by 2. So guys, our main aim is to find out the nth term. Once we get the value of nth term, then it will be easy for us to find out the sum. So that is what we are going to, or we are doing here. So 84, I can write 84 is equal to 7 plus 7 by 2n minus 7 by 2. So guys, after further solving this equation, I am getting 84 is equal to, again the equation will become 7 by 2 plus 14 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Just multiplying 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, so that it would be our denominator will be same, so that it will be easy for solving this equation. So our new equation becomes 7 by 2n. So our new equation becomes 7 by 2n plus 14 by 2 minus 7 by 2, or I can write 84 is equal to 7 by 2n plus 14 by 2 minus 7 by 2, which is nothing but 7 by 2, or I can write 7 by 2n is equal to 7 by 2n is equal to 84 minus 7 by 2. That is equal to, again I can write, again multiplying 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, I am getting 168 by 2 minus 7 by 2. That is equal to nothing but 168 minus 7 by 2, that is equal to 161 by 2. So guys, we got like 7 by 2n is equal to 161 by 2, or we can write n is equal to 161 by 2 into 2 by 7, just moving this 7 by 2 here. So 2 and 2 it got cancelled, and the final product that we are getting is like the 161. When 161 divided by 7, we are getting 23, because this 7 and this 7 will become 23. So guys, we got the value of n is 23. Now putting the value of n as 23, so this value we got as 23. Now we can solve the problem like we need to find out the sum of these terms, 7 plus 21 by 2 plus 14 plus up to 23rd term or up to 84. So I can write 2Sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. Guys, I'm just using the summation formula, like the formula that we know, like Sn is equal to sum of the arithmetic progression formula I am using here. So I can further solve this equation. I can write here that 2s23, because we got the value of n as 23, is equal to 23 into an is nothing but 7 plus, sorry, a1 is 7, so I am putting 7 here, and an is 84. Okay guys, so that is equal to 23 into 91, or I can write s23 is equal to 23 into 91 by 2, that is equal to, so that is equal to, I can write further multiplying 23 91, I am getting 2093 by 2. So guys, this 2093 we can write, this 2093 is correct, but further we can put this one as 10461 by 2. Therefore S23 is equal to 10461 by 2. That's all guys. This is the sum of the given arithmetic progression. So I believe this calculation is really super easy. But if you have still any doubts or questions, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.